The Bosphorus Bridge, also known as the 15 July Martyrs Bridge, is a suspension bridge that spans the Bosphorus Strait in Istanbul, Turkey. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in Istanbul and is a must-see destination for anyone visiting the city. The Bosphorus Bridge was completed in 1973 and is one of two suspension bridges that connect the European and Asian sides of Istanbul. It's an impressive feat of engineering and is considered one of the longest suspension bridges in the world, with a total length of over 1,500 meters. One of the best ways to experience the Bosphorus Bridge and the surrounding area is to take a Bosphorus tour. These tours typically depart from the Emin or Kabata neighborhoods of Istanbul and take visitors on a scenic journey along the Bosphorus Strait. During a Bosphorus tour, visitors can see a number of important landmarks, including the Dolmabahce Palace, the Ortaköy Mosque, and the Rumeli Fortress. They can also enjoy stunning views of the Bosphorus Bridge and the city skyline. Overall, a Bosphorus tour is a great way to experience the beauty and history of Istanbul from a unique perspective. Whether you're interested in architecture, history, or just taking in the stunning views, a Bosphorus tour is a must-do activity for anyone visiting Istanbul. Bosphorus tours are available in a variety of formats, including private boat tours, group boat tours, and even dinner cruises. Many tours include refreshments, snacks, or meals, depending on the length of the tour. In our series of the most must-see places in Istanbul, Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Sultan Ahmet Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, Istanbul Archaeology Museums, Sirigan Palace, Dolmabahce Palace, Beyoğlu Taksim Square, Bosphorus Bridge and Bosphorus Tour, Emirgan Grove, Istiklal Street, Big Island, Rumeli Fortress, Süleymaniye Mosque, City Lines Ferry Tour, Anatolian Fortress, Miniaturk, Pera Museum, Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. You can get detailed information about. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video so that we can continue our promotional services.